Alright, welcome to the video. So in this video I'm gonna basically review the footage of me riding my Handshaped surfboard. It's the second board I've ever made, third board I've ever shaped, second board I've ever glassed and made sort of start to finish though. So I've got one board I haven't glassed yet that I have shaped. So this one I had a few ideas of what I wanted to make. I knew I wanted to make something that was combining the aspects of a shortboard with a longboard, and I'd seen the surfing of Harley, Ingleby. I'd seen the surfing of Colapinto, and I was really inspired by that clean, sort of glidey surfing on a mid-length sort of shape. And I'd surfed a longboard before as a twin fin by pure coincidence, actually, many years ago when I was 17, about 7 years ago. And yeah, a back fin had broken out, and I really liked the feeling of a longer board that could still turn with hard rails. The longboard has hard rails, and I still have that longboard, and it is so fun to surf as a twin fin. So those hard rails combined with that wide sort of nose allow for easily paddling, and you can sort of get out in the face and cruise down the line. It's really a style of board that you can go to when you're not in the best surf fitness, and you're not trying to rip, you're just trying to have fun and go fast and express yourself the way you want to. So this first video is about the first session I had on the board at Urban Surf on the progressive turn setting, and yeah, surfing it as a quad fin with AM1 futures and a pair of quad rears that I bought off eBay, which actually go pretty good. Budget friendly option, and I'll put all the links to the fins and stuff below, and also the products I used to make the board. Shout out to Premium Epoxies, the first time I've tried their epoxy before. Really good price and really good quality product. And shout out to Surfboard Studio for the fiberglass, 4-ounce fiberglass. No affiliations with these companies, just like good quality products, and especially if I can get it sourced locally. Surfboard Studio is just in Northcote. I'm in Victoria here in Melbourne North. So yeah, shout out to them, and let's get into the footage. Let's review the footage.